Hello my friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree haul. I did find some goodies that I was really happy that I found. So let's go ahead and jump in and I will share with you what I got. I picked up some coloring books. I am working on some junk journals right now, some 3-ring bind junk journals. So I actually used quite a bit of my coloring book stash on those journals, and then I've just been kind of using them, so I needed to build up my stash a little bit. So I did buy some of those. I also found these cute little notebooks that they are so stinking cute. They have like these brown papers in it. They have like little like today's thought about, dreams and goals, like just really super cute, and I thought these would look really cool. Or I thought I could use these in junk journals as like, you know, tear them out and put them in like as little journaling cards and things like that in junk journals. So there's the donut one, and they all have different themes, so they all have different ones. So I was only going to buy one, but then I realized that they were all completely different inside. So even like the different, they have different things at the top, like the journaling prompts are different. So yeah, I just think they're really super cute. And I love the brown paper because I think that would be kind of good for junk journaling, you know? And so if I make any summer ones, I can put these in those junk journals. So yeah, that was my thought process for that. So I bought the 3 of them. I was excited to find those. And then I also found these Seek and Find coloring books. So I bought 2 of these ones and then 1 of these ones because this is all I could find. But basically what it is, it's a coloring page, and then it has the Seek and Find, so you can look for all of the different things. So I personally love these types of games online. These are ones that I kind of sometimes play on my iPhone and stuff. So I thought these were really cute for $1. And you know, if I have a specific theme, like I'm doing a cookbook one, that might be kind of cute to put in the cookbook theme. So yeah, I don't know. Well, I'm gonna think about that, but I thought these were just really too adorable to pass up for $1. So there is that one, and then this one is a little bit different. It's got different pages in it. Yeah, I think these are just super cute. Look at that camping one. I'm planning on doing a camping journal, so that would be kind of cute to add in there. Yeah, these are just super cute. And it's on nice paper, so it's not like that it's not the typical coloring book paper. So I got those ones. And then I found this one. It's interesting. I have this one, but this is a different cover than the one that I have. But it's basically the same. I'm pretty sure I have this one. I love that one. I love that one. And there's a strawberry one in here that I'm obsessed with. I can't find it right now, but it's in here. Where's it at? There it is. I love that. So yeah, I picked that one up because I had used a couple in the one that I already have. And then I got this one, and it's basically all under the water sea stuff. So look at that whale. So yeah, I think this is really cool. Hold on, my camera. And then I went ahead and picked this one up as well. I think this one's new. I don't remember seeing this one in there before. It's interesting because sometimes I look at it and I'm like, what am I ever going to use that for? But then they're definitely, I think I saw one specific one in here that I liked. Oh, that one. Look how cute that one is with the little whisks in the drawer. Yeah, so that one's cute. And then I'm planning on doing a horse journal, so This is, I just got this because I thought this would be cute to add a couple of these pages into the horse journal. So, yeah. And then I got this as well. This is actually going to be for a friend. I just thought this was really cute because it had like transformery stuff in it, and then it's like a little action thing, but it also has the stickers. I picked up with this. I saw these last year. People hauled these last year for Father's Day, and they didn't have them at my store. I couldn't, never found them. So I saw them at this one store I was at, and I just had to get them. I just think these are the cutest boxes. I mean, look how cute that is. And I have no idea. I think it actually goes like this. So that lid is on the top. Hold on, let me do it the right way. So there's a lid, and then there's the little things at the bottom that, you know, so you like set it down. I mean, how cute is that? And I went ahead and got all 4 sizes. So there's 4 of them in here. You know, I mean, you can use it for a guy's gift. I actually kind of think I'm going to use it for my my crafting supplies. I'm moving in August. I'm going to move in the same complex, but into a 2-bedroom. And I'm going to have a lot more room in my room. So my hope is I'll be able to kind of like have like cute decorative stuff. So in the same lines of moving, I went ahead and picked up some canvases. My apartment right now, I don't really have a lot of wall space. So I don't have a lot of pictures up. So I'm going to actually take these out of the bag so that you're not hearing the plasticky plastic. So I'll give me 1 second. Now I can show them without the plastic on them. So this is one of them. I mean, look how beautiful that is. And then I found this one that kind of went with it. Family is where your story begins. So I love the butterfly and the mason jars. And just look how good that looks together. And then I found these that have the definition and like the wood, fake wood background. So the definition of love and then the definition of family. So I thought would make a really cute little set of like 4 somewhere, like hanging them on the wall, kind of together like this, and then have this like on top. Or maybe 4 crossed on the wall like together. And I just think that would look really, really cute. For $4, I can fill a whole wall with these little prints. And that's super cute to me. Purchased this one and this one to do maybe something in the kitchen. I'm not sure. I don't know. I like this that it's square. I think that's kind of cool that it's square. I wish I could find one more. I hope I could find one more that has kind of this theme to it. But I picked up these 2, or something to at least kind of go with it. That would be cool. I also picked up this one, and I'm kind of actually thinking I might take this one apart and use the images. I really like the images on here, but I'm not 100% sure. I just really liked it, and I had to get it. And then I liked the dragonfly one as well. So I love the floral in it. I mean, the little leaf in there too. So I got Pro Selections makeup wipe remover. I used the other one that is at the Dollar Tree. It doesn't work great, but my makeup really doesn't stay on anyway, so I don't really have a lot to take off. I thought I would just try this new brand that they have. So we'll see if that works any better than the one that they currently have. I got some instant glue because my fingernail is popping off, so I have to glue it. Let's see. I found there's quite a bit of new washi tape that the Dollar Tree had, and I really have not been buying washi tape just because I have so much and I hardly use it. So I try not to buy it, but this one was really cute with the cactuses. I kind of have an idea to do a cactus theme plan with me, so I bought that one. I probably actually already have that one. This one has little cameras on it, a bunch of little cameras and a little Tweety bird, and so I think I'm going to give this to somebody. And then this one is Little Mermaid print on there, and I do have a plan for that as well. So since I had a planned theme for those ones, I decided to pick them up. I purchased some of this trim ribbon stuff. This is my favorite trim to use. It's been actually kind of hard for me to find this. I think I have another whole roll still that I have to use, but I've been looking and it's been rarer and rarer. Is that a word? Like, it's been really hard to find it. So I went ahead and just picked up one more because I would hate to not have it and then they stopped selling it. I was super excited because I found the boxes. I found the little house boxes. Look how cute they are. I think there's one other size that I did not find yet. So I'm hoping I find it. And I went ahead and got 5 of them just because I don't really like odds stuff. But I got 2 of these, and I don't even know, like in my new house, what the color scheme is going to be. But I just knew that I would be able to do something with these. I just think they're super adorable, and I've been looking for them in like literally every Dollar Tree in my area. I've been looking for them. So the fact that I found them, I was super excited. And I found this really cool soup cup. It was the only one they had. I wish they had another one. They had like one that was kind of like a gray tone, and I didn't really like that one. But I love drinking, or I love soup in a cup like this. I just thought this was really cool. It's very substantial, heavy, and really nicely made. I definitely don't think it's a... And then going along with my whole, like, going to move into a new house, I went ahead and purchased a set of these marble handle, like, kitchen utensils. And they actually had all of them. They had the one spatula with the holes, spatula with no holes, the spoon with the holes, the spoon without the holes, and then like the little ladle thing. And I thought, if anything, they just look cool sitting on my kitchen counter with the, you know, like on a jar or something. So, and they seem like they're very good. I mean, I was trying to pull them apart, and like, you know, they're not budging at all. So they seem really sturdy and really nice. I bought spoons and stuff there before at Dollar Tree and never had a problem. So, yeah, I thought it'd be kind of nice just to have a new little set of utensils for the new house. Okay, so the other thing that I purchased were these snap closure envelopes. And I typically get them in clear just because that's typically the way I like it, but they're really hard to find in clear. So I went ahead and purchased these ones. They're nice, good size. They do fit a full sheet of paper, plus a little extra, so if your paper's a little bit bigger. I love using these for projects. So right now I have like a couple of different projects going on. So when I find ephemera that matches with it, like I have all of my strawberry stuff that I'm going to do a journal soon with, and like I've got my sewing journal, my couple different journals that I'm working on right now. So when I find something specific to that journal, I like to stick it in this pocket. And then, so I thought it would be cool to have different ones, because then I can go, okay, this is my sewing journal, and this is the garden journal, like, you know. So they had, these are the ones I found, these 6 designs, so this one and then that one. So yeah, I thought these were really cool. I really like using them in the clear, but I thought, well, since I can't find clear thing of this sticker, I used this in my garden journal, and I'm doing another garden journal, so I thought I would use these. These are my favorite stickers, are always the wall art stickers there at Dollar Tree. And I also found this one, which is really, really pretty. I love, it's kind of got like a watercolor effect to the butterflies. But unfortunately, this butterfly was completely like off of the paper and like stuck onto this paper. So I asked the manager, which I know him because he sees me in there every week. I asked him if I could get 50% or 50 for $50, 50 cents, and he said that's fine. So he gave it to me for 50 cents, and I can still use this side. That's fine. I'm okay with that, even if it's just for the small little butterflies and the little flowers. So I got this really pretty like floral wrapping paper, and I know you can't really tell because it's glare, but it's really, really, really pretty, and it's like got like a watercolor like floral effect to it. So I thought that would be pretty for like gifts. Because I like that it has no like happy birthday. It's kind of standard. So I like to give gifts sometimes that are just like thank you gifts or just I love you gifts. So that'd be good for that. All right, now that's really everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know down below what thing you've been looking for that you're really excited to find, like those houses or these boxes. I was so excited to find these boxes because like I said, last year I was looking everywhere for them. All right, so I will see you again real soon. Bye for now.